Okay, this next section we're going to be able to figure out how to factor a trinomial when a is 1. And there's a process to this. You practice it, you get it. You don't practice it, you don't get it. You'll never get it if you don't practice it. So just practice. So here you go. Here's the process. First off, is a 1? You got to ask yourself, is our a 1? Yes, it's 1 because nothing's in front of the x squared, and therefore there's a 1 there. But we just don't put it there because it's a waste of time. Okay, next thing you do is, you take the c right here. This is your c term, not connected to the x term, and you take that and you put it right here in this little x thing. Okay, you make an x each time, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the 5 or the b and you take that and you're going to put it right here. Okay, now this is where you have to think. You got to ask yourself, what times what is 6 that adds together to be 5? What times what is 6 that adds together to be 5? And so this is usually how I go about it. I first start with focusing on the multiplication part right here. What times what is 6? Well, I know 1 times 6 is 6. So 1 times 6 is 6. So could that add together to be 5? Well, if the 6 was a positive and this one was a negative, it could. But because this 6 is positive, that wouldn't work out. So it couldn't be 1 and 6. What else is 2? Oh, 2 times 3 is 6. Could those two add together to be 5? Oh yeah, they could. They could add together 5. So I'm going to put down my 2 and my 3 right there. And guys, you're done. You just have to do this one last thing. I got to take the 2 and put it right here, and go plus 2 because it's a positive 2. And I got to take the 3 and put it right here, and put plus 3. And there you go. You factored this. This right here is now factored there. And so that's the step for doing this. You really have to figure out, if a is 1, what times what equals this that adds together to be this right there. And in this situation, it's a positive 2 and a positive 3. Now, can you factor everything? No. And I'm going to show you how to deal with things that you can't factor, but this one we can.